Today, drug menace is gravely gripping the society, and Jammu could not spare itself from being shaded of the same. Drug addiction is affecting all the sections of the society and is spreading over to the rich, to the poor, to men, women, and children. Today, we have with us Dr. Gurmeet Kaur. She's a renowned psychiatrist who is working in the field of drug de addiction and is working efficiently in promoting mental wellness for years now. She is presently working as in charge the Addiction Center, Gandhinagar Police Headquarters in Jammu. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your great work, and it is being recognized that how you are helping people in rehabilitation from drug addiction.
Thank you very much, Payal, and thanks for coming up for this really sensitive issue, because today this is the need of hour for the society, because society is badly suffering from this drug menace. And I must tell you, this is not only one, as you said, it's not only the person, or it's not only one section of society, almost prevalent in all sections of society, whether it is rich, whether it is poor, any religion, any area. If you define of Jammu, especially the Jammu city, the Gandhinagar, the Preet Nagar, then the Kasim Nagar, Symbol More, then the so many things. Well, you cannot demarcate like it is only for this. Everywhere it is, and it's just like a flu, you know. Everyone, I'm looking at the people, and really very much heartfelt pain is there, that all where our generations are going.
Absolutely.
Actually, you feel like that really there is some proxy war, like it's a narco terrorism which is just killing our generations, which is just destroying our generations. So we really need to get up. It's a very alarming situation. We should get up, and it's not only one person, it's not only the health department who is to take care of it. Every one of us, all stakeholders, say whether it is health, whether it's a police, whether parents, whether a media person, and media has a great role in it. The more you will talk about, the more you will aware the people around, the more it will come up, and we can tackle this problem.
Absolutely. And because of that, Jammu Links News has initiated a drive, a mission drug free Jammu.
Yeah.
We really want to make, at least to start with, a Jammu a drug free
Yeah.
place. And ma'am, like you have been closely working with mental well-being,
Yeah.
and you are also a addiction expert. How closely both are these interlinked? And despite we know about the ill effects of drugs, then why do we, why people indulge in the same?
So, I'll just tell you the small, the how does it starts. What happens is, as the child grows up, it's basically, now we are talking about mental health. When you just see the mother conceives a baby, if mother is in a good mental health, if she is happy, so she can conceive it nicely, and she can, and the things which are being conveyed to the child, these are all psychology. So if the mother is happy, the child born will be happy, and if the child now is rearing of the child, the child is being reared up by mother nicely, by the parents, both parents and all significant others in the family. The child is reared up nicely, nurtured nicely, and is sent to school. And if the environment of the school is good, everywhere we are mentoring the child nicely. We are just keeping a very close association with the child, very secure environment if we are giving to the child. There is no drugs cannot come in. But what happens? Actually, it is the reverse. Mother herself is in agony while bearing the child, whether it's a rich or the poor or the working or the sitting at home. If you will see, just see the mental health and happiness quotient of the mother itself, and that travels, a bit of it, bit of it, then it travels. What happens actually then, the children are not given time properly, the quality time by the parents. They are totally unattended. The parents are just gathering all the, you can say, the comfortable things for them, but they are not, they are buying them for them, but they are not giving that quality time which they can give, and that peace of mind which they can give to their child. So child itself from the start of it is not very in a peaceful state or comfortable state. So as the child grows, and there is when from childhood they shift to the adolescent period, there is a hormonal change. So they behave like a pendulum. Somewhere they are very high, somewhere they are very low. That is the age specific problems of that period. And if that is not looked up after properly, so child goes heavy, and then child asks to whom? To the peers, to the friends, to the society of the same age, and then they say, oh, ye problem hai, just come out of it, you can do this, you will be relaxed. So there is a problem, or there is a peer pressure, or there is some sort of failure in life, or there is some sort of vacuum in their life which is being filled by this relaxation, so-called relaxation, by any sort of drugs. And believe me, Payal, it starts with only one cigarette smoke. It starts with one beer can, right? And then they just go on increasing, and by the time they grow up, 4 to 5 years or something like that, they are experimenting in other things. One is one cigarette, then they two, then another, then they will add ganja or charas to it to have double effect. Then comes even the alcohol, even the spirits, and the other things, and then they go for the fluid. Now they are what. I have one patient. What he was doing bagging. Like he was putting all the fluids. These simple which you use in quick fixing or fixing the things. He was using in one polythene bag, and he was using and sniffing that. And then now the most threatening thing, that is, it is killing, almost killing, is the heroin or opium addiction. It was different sort, different variety was there. Like it was bhukki, it was afim or opium. It was they used to call it kala mal. Now they say chitta. So that is something heroin like derivative. And now what they even, it is not available in the pure form. What they are doing, I just heard of something that they are using some ingredients which are not good for the health. And even you must have heard of deaths, yeah? In the past time, you must have heard of deaths. What is there? They are just injecting that drug, and that drug is even not pure. It is having the impurities, the ingredients which are poisonous, and the person dies immediately.
And like you shared this thing that it starts with experimentation, or one just need to go in that relaxation line. Now suppose the addiction happens, right? And since the whole family is involved, a lot of people don't even accept it because of the stigma attached to the same.
That is the irony of this. And by the time they understand, they come to you or to they contact the health professional when the person is totally finished. Then they come. But the right thing is, and this awareness program, and even this program, I would like to use this program as an awareness program for the people, for the parents to understand. Even if your child is in addiction, don't be ashamed of it. Be brave. Come forward and contact the people who are helping you out, who are treating for it. Please understand that this addiction is a brain disease. Addiction is a brain disease, is treatable, should be treated, and person can be rehabilitated back into the normal life. this opportunity to tell you and to give this let us give this psychoeducation to whole of the community, and especially the parents I want to target, because parents are the only people who can help their children. So let them come up, be brave, please be brave, come up and bring your children to the treatment centers so that they can be helped. Brain, basically it is a brain disease, and brain is malleable, it can be treated, and their children can be rehabilitated back into the normal life, but provided we need to be brave. We as parents, we need to be brave. Come up parents, bring your children for the treatment so that we can fight out this drug menace.
Like ma'am said, that it is more of a brain disease. We should come out of the stigma. We'll keep you updated, and we'll keep on bringing Gurmeet ma'am to the show to carry on with this awareness drive where we fight the maliciousness of this 3D disease, which is actually leading us to the path of destruction, devastation, and damaging our lives.